scariest car I've ever been in my life.
Into the sun, into the heat. Check this thing out. Holy balls. What a machine.
Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't try to ball. Nah, I never fumble.
So you're actually gonna let me drive this thing?
100%, it's all yours.
This is what we know about the car. It's an SL-C kit car, Heffner V10 twin turbo, over 900 horsepower. We got some beautiful HRE wheels.
Corvette brakes,
Is that what it is? Yeah, we got Corvette brakes.
American muscle.
We've got some R888s on here. We have some very narrow window openings. So it's kind of nice. The sun's slowly starting to go down.
You can't close that, can you?
No, it's open. It's really cool because the doors go up. Oh, there we go. That's really cool.
It is cool, dude.
It's got a manual gearbox, so we got 3 pedals to work with. You got all the traditional Gallardo. You'd recognize this.
Oh, it's
You've had
from
a
a
couple
Gallardo,
of
yeah.
Gallardos.
Yeah.
One of them being a manual.
Right there.
We have some what looks like very brutal carbon bucket seats.
Very
I was hoping that they took the Gallardo soft seats and put them in there. Nope, not so much.
It doesn't look more race
I'm also really hoping I fit. I've lost a few pounds. We'll find out if I've lost enough. The engine's really cool.
Look at the billet intake manifold, the runners.
And it's stuffed in there. Like there is not a lot of room between the window and the back part of that. There's a lot of power put in a very small light car. I don't know if this is aftermarket, but that is like a full
No, that's a factory Alcantara.
Alcantara steering wheel out of what might have been like a Performante back in the day, or
The
super.
factory one is like super like granular like
Yes.
that. The newer ones are a bit more tight.
Yeah, super Leggera maybe out of it. Look at the tub. Like it's got. These are all carbon panels. Is the whole car carbon?
I don't think the whole car is carbon, but I think the...
Just live to the internet. Yeah, it's the carbon Kevlar.
Well-
One solid piece of carbon the entire car.
Everybody right now wants to hear this thing because it's a V10 and it's twin turbo. I know I keep saying that, but I'm really excited about it. You want to fire it up for us?
You
Or
want to
should
start
I
it up?
just
Yeah,
get in
start it
there?
up. Get in.
All right. So the first trick is, can I get in it?
There's no looking cool.
You definitely have to drop into it.
Oh, what's up, ladies?
There's no getting out of this quick.
No.
Check out the, no, come here for a sec.
Oh, that's
Before I even
cool.
fire it up. Look at the gauges. I'll tell you right now, because race car. It's idling at 2,400 RPM. Let's get some heat in it. Dave, you're coming along.
I'll come with you. Do you want to drive or should I drive?
We're going out together, buddy. We're going out together. Get in.
Find the AC button first and I'll
Get in. You know what? Once you get in here, these seats aren't bad.
It's not bad.
Like, holy
On the track, this thing would be amazing. I think it would be the funnest around the track. I haven't taken it out yet, though, so...
This is definitely a track piece.
Definitely.
If I didn't have a wife and kids, I would have the balls to drive this on the street. But I'm at a place where, like, I gotta think about someone other than me. Just get in here.
I don't fit in this seat.
You got why? Why don't you fit?
Fat and old.
Oh, you think you're putting a seatbelt on? This is honestly probably one of the wildest cars I think we were ever gonna drive. And I'm saying that just from the specs and the sheer craziness of being in it. Like, look at this windscreen. It's like being in a jet.
There's a cockpit, all right.
You got a seatbelt on?
My legs don't fit in this thing.
What do you mean?
I don't know for my knee.
Slide your seat back.
My head doesn't fit.
Slide your seat back.
It doesn't move.
This thing is nuts. Okay, straight up. Armstrong steering.
This thing is scary. My knees are touching metal right now. That's most of the thing I'm scared about. Oh my God. Oh, that sounds cool.
Holy shit. Oh, it's got power.
Most of the tires don't spin.
Oh, it'll split the tires up. You would have to put the seats back or something.
It's awful.
I'm like doing this on the pedals because then I'm bending my knees.
The noises are insane.
Ready?
Oh, it is scary. It might be the scariest car I've ever been in.
Look at this. What the f? What do you think?
It's terrifying because it feels so violent. And again, my knees are rested against metal right now.
If we made it so we fit in here a little better,
That'd be cool.
it's cool.
But I feel like a child's toy.
We need somewhere we can get out of second gear. Or maybe not. This is for me, the single-handedly scariest car.
Oh yeah, as a passenger, it's horribly terrifying.
Man, if you thought the CGT was scary to drive,
This is scary.
this is f***ing scary.
You gotta have balls to drive this fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Bro,
What's it like on the outside?
terrifying. It's terrifying. It's the scariest car I've ever been in. Officially the scariest car as a passenger I've ever been in my life.
Yeah, this thing is like, it's a handful. It'll spin the tires. It's like also one of those things like the higher up you get up the gears and the way that it starts going, it's like wild. Hey, what is it? It's called an SL-C, a super light car. Carbon fiber. Yeah. Super light frame. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Damon.
Dave, what's up, brother?
Dave, here, bro.
Be safe.
Hey.
What the f? It's like almost like a two-step. It's so violent. Everything on this car is violent.
Get back in, we're gonna drive back. I have to get out of here, it's so hot. So eloquent, Dave.
This feels like the inside of an oven right now. We're eating a Marshmello Coca-Cola watermelon beverage after this and a Marshmello puff to cool down. Wild. Mo's crazy.
Holy
I like how Mo bought this on whim from bringing a trailer, didn't understand what it was and got it, and he's like, this thing's stupid. It's so crazy.
It's beyond crazy.
Boring.
The scariest car I've ever driven.
Scary?
Do you want to go for a drive with him?
Scariest car. So what are you asking for if someone
Has the balls to buy it.
balls has the
A
balls?
real man's watching has a bit of money. How much?
Honestly, it's really cool. I think you take this to the track, you put a helmet on, a fire suit, you know, obviously set it up so it fits you. I'm trying in my head to figure out how I can make this work for our channel, because honestly, it's the most badass sounding car I have ever heard.
Right.
That's on a similar level with the blow-off valves and the turbos and everything going off like a Pagani.
Right.
Like a Pagani has that like whooshing.
Oh, dude, there's so many things happening behind your head.
It's so sick.
Wild.
But honestly, like I want to like take this thing out and like drive it somewhere.
I'll send it to you. Take it as long as you need it.
Dude.